Hey guys, once again most welcome to my YouTube channel Golden Tutorial. Friends, before starting this video, I would like to share one thing that at this channel we will upload two type of videos. First one is videos based on the physics and video based on the physics and video based on the math. Alright, so both videos are for those candidates who are aspirant to the Air Force. Alright, so guys, as you all know that if we study very well, then we have to know the syllabus of subject. Okay, that's why we have written the physics syllabus before starting. Okay, before start reading the chapters one by one. Alright, so first chapter is logic gate, second one is thermodynamic and ideal gas, third one is semiconductor, fourth one is electronic devices, and fifth one is communication system. Right guys, this PDF also can be downloaded from the official website. Okay, but there would be something difference from my sequence and their sequence. Okay, because that doesn't matter at all. I have created this PDF because I have created this PDF like this. Which chapter is important, I have written this at the top of the page, right? Because I have also given the exam more than 2 times, that's why I have experience. So according to my opinion, I have written this. Alright, so logic gate we will study what are the logic gate, okay, and what are the type of logic gate, like basic gate and universal gate. Basic are of mainly 3 types. First one is OR gate, second one is NOT gate, and third one is AND gate. Alright, and then we will study what are the universal gate, like NOR gate and NAND gate. Apart from this gate, there are the 2 exclusive gate, like exclusive OR gate and exclusive NOR gate as well. Alright, so but we will not discuss in details in this video. Okay, so I'm giving this some information about the logic gate. Okay, so next chapters is thermodynamic and ideal gas. Alright, so in this chapter we will especially focus on the Carnot efficiency and the coefficient of performance of a refrigerator. That means we will study eta and capital K. Okay, so and we will also discuss the problem based on the eta and coefficient of performance of refrigerator. Okay, so guys, we have studied all the thing in 11th plus 12th, but still we will study it in short. Okay, so third chapter is semiconductor, and fourth chapter is electronic device, and fifth chapter is communication system. Okay, so next guys, here I want to say one more thing, that any chapter contains 3 things which we have to study. Alright, so suppose there is any chapter and it contains basically 3 things. First one is theory section, and second one is numerical, okay, and third one is MCQ. Okay, the candidates who studies theory plus numerical plus MCQ, 100% he has a full command on this chapter, on any chapters. If he studies only theory, then somewhere or other he will weak in any chapter, right? So I would suggest we will study all the thing, theory plus numerical plus MCQ as well. Alright, this is the best way to study any topic in physics. Alright, so next 5 chapter, let us come to the point. Next 5 chapter are EMI, EMW, AC, that means electromagnetic induction and electromagnetic wave and alternating current. Okay guys, I have written these 3 chapters together because these 3 chapters are attached to each other. That means the 3 chapters are linked to each other. If we have studied EMI, then we will feel something easy to study EMW. Alright, if we have studied EMI and EMW together, and then we will study alternating current. Then we feel very easy to study alternating current. I mean to say, these three chapters are totally linked to each other. Alright, and then we will study waves. In these waves we particularly read sound wave and waves on a string. Alright, and then we will study simple harmonic motion. Right, and the next chapter is optics, and in the optics there are the two branches of optics. First one is ray optics and second one is wave optics. Right, and ray optics में in the ray optics we will particularly study about reflection of light and reflection of light. Alright, and in wave optics we will particularly study about interference of light, diffraction of light, and polarization of light. Alright, so that's all about the optics which we have to study. Okay, and then next three chapters are current, electricity, unit and dimension, and kinematics. Kinematics contains 5 chapters which are given under below: work power, energy, force and friction, separate tension, moment of inertia for different shape, and center of mass for different shape. Alright, and we can also add in this motion in a straight line, motion in a projectile, and circular motion and rotation motion as well. Alright, so next 5 chapter, gravitation, which is one of the most important chapter for Air Force examination, and elasticity as well. Alright, so I would say these 5 chapters are one of the most important chapter for the Air Force aspirant. Alright, gravitation, elasticity, heat and temperature, and heat transfer, and one is thermal expansion of a solid. Alright, and then next one chapter are electrostatic plus electromagnetic. Okay, and moving coil galvanometer, and X-rays. Last 3 chapters belonging to modern physics. In the modern physics we particularly study about X-rays, radioactivity. In the radioactive we will study alpha emission, beta emission, and gamma emission, right, from the radioactive substance. And the next chapter is atomic and nuclear physics, and last chapter is linear motion, circular motion, and rotation motion, and projection, which I have already discussed at the top chapters. Alright, so these are the syllabus of physics for the Air Force. Okay, so hope so you would like this. Okay, so if you like this video, then please like and share and subscribe, and don't forget to share as well. Right, so thank you so much for watching this video.